Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. You want to know what's in the box? It's so big, we need a forklift. That's what's in this box. What I want to show you is an all-new, all EMPI long block. And I'm going to save the very best part for last because the person that built this long block is a person that you want to hug and kiss on the cheek. So let's get to it. Victor, you ready? Brand new, all EMPI 1600cc. Brand new auto linea case, aluminum. Brand new auto linea EMPI heads. That means 3-angle valve job. That means OSFAT OE style valves. And that means Anthony Chica here in Anaheim, California, does that 3-angle valve job on a Rottler machine. Questions like, hey, can I put this in my Class 11 race car? Or hey, can I put 3 turbos on this? Will immediately be ignored on Instagram. So that means cruising. That means hanging with your missus, maybe on the weekends, taking kids to soccer practice. This is your motor. Turbos, sand rails, jumping over things, this is not your motor, okay? So what you get is all of this magnificence from EMPI, all new, all EMPI long block, stock 1600. Oh, and did I mention who built it? Should I tell him, Vic?
Sure.
Do you know a guy named Jack? Because I know a guy named Jack. And he's the guy that founded JC Enterprises, and he is a go fast mofo. Jack Sacchette is building our 1600 motors.
Hi, Jack Sacchette here. Let me show you about the new program we're working on with EMPI on their engine program, the 1600, 1776, and 1914 combinations. The heads, brand new EMPI rocker arm assemblies I build, complete 100% brand new. I'm really excited about this. Go along, comes with a brand new oil pumps, brand new lifters, camshafts, oil seals, main bearings. Like I said, it's nothing but the quality stuff. I'm not going to put no junk in here. Hey ladies, let me show you the foundation that we're working with. Brand new aluminum auto linea cases from Brazil. With over 40 years experience in engine building, I come to concluded that these stockers are the most simplest and friendly engines to build. Listen, I know race engines. These aren't race engines. These are your stock, keep your ride alive, get that Volkswagen out of the garage and get it on the road. 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty. Look for your EMPI dealer at empius.com and get yours today.
So let's talk details. Vic, do I need a core on this?
No core needed.
Do you have to wait like 10 or 12 weeks till it's ready?
Nope, ready in stock to ship out.
Because it's already on the shelf, right?
Right.
Can I just buy this off eBay?
No.
No, you gotta go to an EMPI authorized distributor. That's where you get these, and that's when it comes with your 12,000 mile, 12-month warranty. So let's recap, ready? I don't need a core. I've got warranty. It's all brand new. It's assembled by Jack, and I don't have to wait.
Can't go wrong with that.
As Victor said, you can't go wrong with that. So you saw us take it out of the crate, right? That crate will ship all over the world, not just the United States, all over the world. This is ready to go in the back of your Bug. This is ready to go in the back of your bus, your Gia, your Type 1, your Type 2, your Type 3. Pretty much a universal configuration. Couple of reminders, ready? When this gets to you and you take it out of the box, there is no oil in it. There is 0 oil. So please don't forget to put oil in it. The break-in instructions will be included in the box along with your engine data, so you'll be able to start building out the motor based on the spec, right? But please put the oil in. EMPI recommends Torco. We run it in all of our vehicles. We think it's the right way to go. Torco is very, very good stuff. We recommend 20W50. That's going to vary depending on where you live. Ultimately, these motors are ready to go. We want this to get Volkswagens back on the road.
Hey Rob, aren't the gaskets included?
Oh man, I forgot the gaskets. They're right here. The gaskets are included. Everything you need is in the box. That's